You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this castle in Italy. If you want to learn more Italian vocabulary, very useful, and names of famous places around it as well. Stay tuned, we've got tons more coming up at the end of the video. Stay tuned to the channel. Castello, Italian pronunciation, Castello Sforzesco, Sforzesco, located in Milan. Castello Sforzesco in English, English pronunciation. You can use Castello Sforzesco or Sforzesco Castle. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.